Welcome back to Coffee and Sawdust. I am Mike, and in today's video I am building this birdhouse right here. Looks like a church. Sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy the video. So I'm building this birdhouse with pallet wood. I ran it through the planer. I cleaned it up. So the first cut I made from bottom to the beginning of this angle, this is 8 inches, and I cut a 45-degree on this, so that's 45 degrees. This one's 45 degrees, and then I took a scrap piece, glued it, and nailed this together on the top and the bottom. I did that for the front and the back. The next cut, 4 slats. These are 8 inches. 2 of these together will make the side. Now we have the basic shape. We have the front of the church, the back of the church, and the other side. Church slash birdhouse. What I've decided to do, I'm not really sure why, I'm making a brace. I'm going to put it right here. I guess to give more support to the roof. I got this sheet metal here. Rusty, patinaed. And we'll use this for the roof. This is for the top cap. I bent it. So the bones of my birdhouse church is built. We got the front, back, sides, and the roof. Alright, first I want to say thanks for watching me build this birdhouse right here. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. And until my next video, you guys keep building.